Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Tata Curve EV version. So let's review this vehicle today. So you can see the design is completely like Tata Curve diesel version actually. But the front changes are here. The charging point is given here. The Tata emblem which the charging point is given, and the niche you can see this skid plate also with the silver finish. So first you can see the daytime running lights with the LED and the projector LED fog lamps with the headlight. Actually the fog lamps are not giving nowadays. So you can see here front camera, and here you can see parking sensors, front parking sensors. This is how it looks. This is 55 kilowatt version. So this range is around 450 to 500 kilometer range. In this 45 kilowatt is also available. That ranges between 350 to 400. So glossy finish cladding, R18 alloy wheel, all wheel disc brakes is में. You can see this. So let's unlock and we'll show the higher VMs actually. This is a key actually. This is the key of the car. If I unlock this, this is how it looks. So you can see the IRVM with indicator. Down it's a camera. In this ADAS level 2 feature and 360 view camera available. IRVM indicators, and you can see the door handle style also. Passive keyless entry is also available in this, and you can see all the way. No roof rails. No, this is a tough texture, and this is a blue color actually. In this we have 3 models like Creative, Accomplish Plus, and also one other model is also available, but this is a color of a blue color. You can also have white color, red color, and ash color also. You can see the spoiler here, and this is a shark fin antenna. This you have panoramic sunroof. This is a rear tail light, connected tail light, Tata emblem, rear camera, Tata Curve EV badging, and you can see this reflector with the reverse light, and you can see reverse parking sensors, this glossy finish. And I will open this boot like this, so you can have the button here. It's automatic. In this you have 500 liter capacity boot space. You can see it. Here we have a short lamp, small lamp, 500 liter capacity boot space. And over you can see these lights. This is a button to close this boot. You can see this. No rear wiper, only defogger is available in the black glass. Connected tail light. So you're looking like a Aurus actually. And this is, you can see reflector and reverse light. That's how it looks from this side. And EV badging. In this you have rain sensing wipers. And let's go interior of this car. So here you can see this door handle ambient lighting for night vision. So if you are like opening a door in the night view, you can easily open the door. You can see here this is a rough texture. Door handle, door unlock or lock करने का button, soft finish, soft touch material, tough texture again. Window का button, window up and down, tweeters, JBL speakers है इसमें, and bottle holder. You can see the bottle holder here. It's a very tiny space. This is how it looks. If I open the door, it's around 80 to 80 degrees open with it. Next you have here child locking. This you have leatherette seats. Actually this is very soft material, and Isofix, white interiors, armrest with cup holders is also available, but it is covered with a cover. You can see here Isofix is here. And now I will show the rear comfort, and I will show it headroom, legroom. Okay, right. See the comfort rear side. ultimate position actually. I can easily go into this. So my height is 5'6" actually. The front side is adjusted according to my height. So you can see the leg room. This is under thigh support. It's a bit down already, and you can see the headroom also. My height is 5'6". So this is how it looks, and I will show the interior of this vehicle. If I show here, this is a rear light, white one, grab rails, and this is how it looks from the back side. Rear view of the car. You can see this is a EV version. EV and diesel version looks same. So let's go to the front and let's see that. So now I will show the front passenger seat. This is the door handles, and lock unlock button, and tweeters, door handle with the piano black finish. Actually it is covered, and window button, handle, bottle holder, JBL speaker niche, and you can see the reflector on the door. I think here the soft touch and the hard plastic. Rear is also available, the reflector. Let's check out. There is no reflector in the rear side, but in front it has given. So let's see the front portion, AC and other things. So this is AC vents, squared one, trapezoidal section, and this is a rough texture plastic one. This is also rough texture, hard plastic. This is a 12.3-inch display, infotainment system, and this is also rough texture. Actually no soft material in this. And if I could open this, here you can see this is the glove box button. This is how it opens. Enough decent space actually, not big. You can see the front AC vents, middle. This is how it controls, and these are, I will show after starting the car. These sun blinds with mirror, grab rail. Okay, let's go to the driver's seat and let's check out the things. This is how we can come into the car. You can see the entire complete. So this is how it looks, the interior. So I will start the car and I will show all the features in this. This is a EV version, so we have this automatic gearbox. I mean, this is not a gearbox actually, it is a like motor. So let's see the driver door. Actually I didn't show the driver door. So this is a door handle, lock and unlock button, mirror controls, mirror lock and unlock button, IRBM controls, tweeter, JBL speaker, and this is a reflector, and this is a gloss finish here, and this is a rough texture. This is a soft touch material. So how it looks, and the bottle holder, you can see there's not much space in this. Only one bottle will fit in that. And then next you have the AC vents, one AC vent here, and down you can see there's some space here actually given. It cannot open, I think. Okay, this is a front bonnet opening, and the pedals you can see. And here these seats are ventilated seats. Actually I will show the ventilated option also. Like see here, the power adjustment, 6-way power adjustment is available in this. Ventilate front, ventilated seats, both the passenger and driver seat. So let's on the car and see. So here's a start stop button on the left side. So this is how it ons. I think double, yes, the welcome function. Okay, let me off the sound actually. So you can see here, you can off the sound. So this is how it looks, and I have to start by clicking this pedal. Pedals are enough comfortable. I think car has start actually. So in this you have a dual control. So the steering looks like this, and AC controls, automatic. So the infotainment system. In this actually as usual how the diesel version is available, same as that. So you can see here the AC controls, dual climate control is available in this car. And I will show this thing that this charging feature is a touch material here. You have to on this, and I will show this. Yeah, This is how it opens very smoothly, and you can actually charge the vehicle from here. This as you know, all the EV vehicles in Tata, this emblem ke piche is given. It's a good thing actually. No petrol tank and etc. things. We'll go to the driver's seat and explore all the things today. I have shown this charging point, so let's check the infotainment system. This all features are same as like a Tata Curve diesel version. So you can see here this controls and gear lever. This automatic. I mean, EV version you have only automatic, and the electronic parking brake, auto hold function, drive modes, eco, CT and sports mode. In this, if you see here, if I change this, you will get a sound like the drive mode has changed. You can see there eco and sports mode are changing. You can see CT mode, sports mode, and this one. You have to put like eco mode. So these are the 3 modes available in this. According to your condition, you can put, and you have this charging ports here, 12 volt and USB-C charging port, 45 watt, and HDMI cable for the media player. And you can see your some space and the glove box. So it's very hard to open actually. So you can see the glove box with coolant function. And let's see this steering actually. Here you can see this media controls. So media completely controlled by this section, and this is the infotainment controls you have in this. ADAS 2 level 2 function and 360 camera, and cruise control option is also available. This steering you can see here, actually it's a dual toned grey and white color. In this you have 3 options like silver, I mean not silver, white color, maroon color, and the blue color options also available. And let's explore this speedometer instrument cluster. You can see how it looks, and you can put your different types of trip info, driver assist, and vehicle info, energy analysis, media, or you can control from here. So let's drive this vehicle and let's explore the vehicle, and I will say the driving review. Before that, we will check this. So sun blinds and higher VM with auto dimming. You can see this light function, white light, SOS, emergency buttons, speaker, I mean mic, and in this you have a panoramic sunroof. So as I open this, you have to put it. This is how it opens. It's a great feature actually. And so this in on-road price in Hyderabad it goes on up to 21 lakhs to 26 lakhs. Base model starts from 21 lakhs, and the top end goes on up to 26 lakhs in Hyderabad. So this is how it closes, and this is a soft material, cloth fabric. So let's drive this car and I will say this experience. So guys, our friend is driving the car. So you can see here back comfort. The seats are looking very hard actually. If I sit, so material is softer, but when I sit, it is looking like somewhat harder. And I would say the front experience also. And you have to show this rear AC vents and the charging port. This is how it looks from rear. You can see, so guys, you can see here the 360 option is on it. So this is how it looks. You can on in the driving position also, anywhere you can on it, and you can check what happens and everything. It's off automatically as a vehicle goes faster. So guys, so I'm driving this car. Seatbelt is mandatory. Put seatbelt while you are driving. It's very safety, and it's go remote. You have to press your button, and you have to press it as accelerating this vehicle. So before this, I will set according to my comfort, and I will shoot it. So here in this you have this not electronic function, only tilt function is available, and you can see here pedal shifter is also available, and this is wiper controls, and these are the headlight controls, and I will show detailed review while driving. So guys, I will show how my driving experience. You can see when driving. You can see this in IRVM there is an indicator called something like object is visible. So So all Tata vehicles are available. And you can see the pedal shifters, and you can listen the horn too, how it sounds. 6 airbags are available in this. So now I am driving in the eco mode. So now I want to change this to city mode actually. Suspension is very good in this car, like very smooth it is going. If I go to sports mode, I will like the reverse. For sports mode it is around, so like very bad actually. In sports mode its pickup is very good, and according to the modes the range is changing. I will show, and if you indicator, you can see this thing. You can see that camera is on there, the side view camera, and one show here. So the steering style, you can see there's a sports steering. I mean like the dash one. You can see in the city mode the range is around 420. You can see here 420, and if I change to this other mode like EV mode, it is like 435 actually. So according to modes the range will be changing, and I will show this. I think this actually doesn't have any like manual option. You can show here. It doesn't have manual option, but the thing is they have given the pedal shifters. Why the reason I don't know. If I know, I will definitely say. And these are the airbags. So actually I want to say the thing that I have sat in the rear seat. So when compared to rear seat, the front seats are very good because of, I think the ventilated section is given in this front driving and co-passenger. So the front seats are very comfortable. Handling of this car is also very good. Very smooth steering. This is an electronic steering, not hydraulic. This is an illuminated Tata logo here. I mean emblem. Airbag is here. Steering. See, one thing I would say, never drive a car like this. Putting here and here, you have to put both the sides, and you should drive because of air blast. Should be enough caution for that. In eco mode also, it is not much. I mean like the torque is enough. Torque is present in it. No sound because it's an EV. You don't get any sound. Actually, one more thing I forgot to show is that in boot we have a 11 liter capacity. I mean like storage space. I will show that also. So you can see here, and you can change this into the instrument cluster also, as it shows in the instrument cluster. So if I off it, it goes. I mean, yeah. Amplifier is also available in this. Air purification and options. 300 auto, Apple CarPlay, and good. This one via USB or pair via Bluetooth or start. You can have both wireless and via USB, or you can put a wireless here also. So actually, one more thing is that the view from the driver position is very good. I mean like the car is looking like a bit longer from the driver's seat position, and this structure is also not disturbing me. It's good, actually good designing. Suspension, you can see it's very smooth. Actually it is a 190 mm ground clearance in this, so that it is a ground clearance. It's a very smooth suspension is put in this. All-wheel disc brakes are available, so that so the mainly EV cars are made for not for a long drives actually. The city purposes and local office, and you have to use for that purposes. For my recommendation, you should take an EV version of car. When you have an other car like petrol or diesel version, you can go for the secondary car. I mean additional one. You can go through EV and you can enjoy it. Because if you see in the petrol and diesel version cars, it makes a lot of vibration and sound. The EV cars, you don't get that type of sound and vibrations, and on that vibration you will have some sort of suspension problem too. So in this vehicle, no sound, no vibration, and no suspension problems. Like in Tata Curve, I'm saying, not other cars. So you can see here, the indicator is blinking here in this. Sound system is also very good. Like this, we have given JBL speakers. In this, you have a ESP. Actually, there is electronic stability control, ESC. That is your ESP. So one more thing I have to show is, it scans the board where it is like if you have a board on the road, it scans it and it shows here on the speedometer. Like here you can see here, it's a 40 km/h it's showing. It's a caution for that. Like it scans on the road where is a caution speed, and it shows us like it's a limit speed. So that I have to like change it. And one more thing I'll show you here, like now we have this here 60. Right, go and here you can see it comes with the 60 actually. Scan, and now you can see that 60 is showing. Yes, that's it. And here you have 40. I know it shows the 40 in this. So you can see here 40 is the speed limit. That's how it works. So this is our driving experience. So I'll park and I'll show some more features in this car. Actually, the one thing is defect is the phone is it's a bit harder actually, as it is opens automatically. If I could open manually, it becomes very hard for me. I mean, like, not for me, it is being only hard. Okay, let's go and see the front boot. I mean, like bonnet, you have some boot space, like you have some space in that. Guys, the front bonnet opening is here. We'll open it. And let's take this front. This is how it opens. No hydraulic studs to put. Alright, you have to put like this. It's very hard to put me. Like it is lifted. And you can see some space is here. 11 liter capacity. This only option is there in the EV version. You can put hidden things also. Yeah. So this is how it looks, the engine, I mean like the motor. So let's close it and so as you can see, my height is 5'6". It is when I use my hand like this, I have to take it off from here. Not much weight as the Harrier and Safari does. So this is how it closes. So this is the overall review of this Tata Curve EV. If you like this vehicle and like this video, please do subscribe, share. Do subscribe to the four-wheeler, and if you like such car reviews, we'll post this car reviews, this type of car reviews in this channel. Do subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching.